Welcome to Insure Talk. In this video, I would like to talk about the principle of proximate cause, which is an important principle of insurance. Before you get any deeper into the meaning of proximate cause, you must understand the context of the principle, or in other words, when this principle comes into play. There are two types of causation when it comes to any insurance claim: single causation and multiple causation. In a single causation scenario, the loss is caused by one peril or one cause only. The determination of the payability of the claim is then simple. One has to see whether this cause or the peril that has occurred is covered under the policy. If the peril is covered, then the claim is payable. If it is not, the claim is not payable. It is pretty straightforward. In multiple causation, however, more than one peril or cause operates. One or more of them could be covered under the policy, but others may be excluded or not covered. In such multiple causation situations, there can be a chain of causation with one covered peril and another excluded peril, either acting together or one preceding the other or succeeding the other. In these kind of situations, the principle of proximate cause is applied. Proximate cause means the active or efficient cause that sets in motion a train of events which brings about the loss or damage without the intervention of any force and that has started and working actively from a new and independent source. So essentially we have to look at what is the cause of loss that is dominant, effective and operative, which is nearest to the insured event, which then becomes the proximate cause. If the proximate cause is an insured peril under the policy or is covered under the policy, then the insurer is liable for the loss. Any excluded cause that is remote or not efficient will be ignored in this scenario. However, if the proximate cause is an excluded peril, but the covered peril is remote and not efficient, then the loss is not covered. So, to give an example, there is an electrical fault which causes the failure of the safety device of a furnace, and this causes the furnace to the pressure to build up inside the furnace, and the furnace explodes. There is an explosion. Here, the most efficient cause of loss is explosion, which is a covered peril under a fire insurance policy. Though the electrical malfunction is not a covered peril under the fire policy, it is a remote cause of loss. It's not the efficient cause. So the proximate cause of loss is explosion, which is a covered peril under the policy. So applying the principle of proximate cause, the claim becomes payable. To sum up, the essential ingredients of the principle of proximate cause to determine admissibility of a claim are that there has to be a chain of causation or sequence of events that are interlinked. The chain of events must not be broken by a new or independent event. And third, the proximate cause must be proximate in time, but also be efficient, or in other words, the dominant, effective and operative cause of the loss. Thank you.